Hi, my name is Moni and you're welcome back to this channel. I share tips on how to have a smooth and healthy looking skin without breaking the bank. So if this is the kind of content you love to watch or you enjoy watching, then you should watch this video till the end. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you simple steps in which you can practice daily to help you to have a smooth and flawless skin over time. And as we all know, Christmas is around the corner, so if you love your skin to pop and look beautiful and flawless, then you should practice this step daily before you go to bed at night. So sit back and enjoy this video. And the first thing I'm going to be doing is to wash my face first, and I'm going to be using this face wash to wash my face. You can check my last video on how to make this. I've said it countless times, before you wash your face, make sure your hands are very clean. Then the next thing I'm going to be doing is to steam my face with hot water. If you have a face steamer, you can use that. If you are not comfortable with a bowl of hot water, you can use a hot towel for this. Then the next thing I'll be applying to my face is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar and water. I don't use this every day. You're supposed to use this on your dark spots only. Look for the areas of your face where you have dark spots and use the cotton wool to clean. I use the cotton wool on the dark spot on your face only. I don't do this step every day, but I don't do this step every day. I do it once or twice in a week. So you look for places where you have dark spots on your face. I don't know where the dark spots are on my face because I'm not with a mirror here. So after you do that, then we'll go to the next step by applying coconut oil or any carrier oil of choice on your face. This next step is not only going to make your face look smooth, it will help your skin to be firmer, it will help you to get rid of wrinkles, and it will also help you to sleep well at night. I use any oil of choice, coconut oil, almond oil, or you can use aloe vera. But I'm going to be using my rose oil for this part. Just apply the oil all over your face. Let me come closer. Then you get 2 spoons. Then you begin to massage your face. You can use your hand for this too. I'm going to be showing you how to use your hand with it. It's either you use spoons or you use your bare hands. Just massage the oil into your face in a circular way. Trust me, after this night skincare routine, your skin is going to feel relaxed, and the second day you are going to look super smooth. Your face is going to look super smooth the next day. So if you'll be practicing this, let me know in the comment section. Then after this step, I'll wash off the oil from my face. Because I don't want my sheets, my bed sheet and my pillowcase, because I don't want my pillowcase to get dirty. So I'll just clean off with the warm water. Then after that, I apply my moisturizing cream, my face moisturizing cream. Please make sure the moisturizing cream you're applying on your face is for face. Don't apply the one you use on your body on your face. We have moisturizers for face and we have for body, and the reason why they are different is because the skin on our face is delicate. So when you're buying your moisturizer next time, make sure you check if it's for face or for body. So if you've watched up to this point, please and please subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Also, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment for me if you have one. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.